Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to track your Amazon order. We will also put a link to our Amazon shop, and links for all the products used in this video in the description below. To start, open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, enter your email or mobile phone number. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for returns and orders at the top right side of the screen. Click on Returns and Orders. Here, you will see the list of orders. To proceed, click on the Track Package option beside the order you wish to track. That's how you track your Amazon order. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.